Hey everyone, I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I'm talking about Halocouture Extensions. I get asked a lot of questions about these extensions and I thought I would just do a video and answer some of those questions. So first of all, Halocouture Extensions, they are 100% Remy hair. This is the finest quality hair on the market, and the reason why is because the cuticles on the extensions, they flow in the same direction just like our natural hair. So this gives your extensions a more natural appearance, and it also gives them a shinier look and a smoother finish. Alright, next. So Halocouture extensions, they come in a variety of different lengths and different pieces. So first you have your original halo, which is a 1 length halo. It comes in 12, 16, 20, and 24 inch lengths. Then you have your layered halo. This is of course layered. It has layers in it. It's not just 1 length. This extension comes in 14, 18, and 22 inches in length. There's also the fall. This is a different piece. This does not just add length, but this is a piece that sits on top of the head. It's attached to our natural hair with clips, and this gives us fullness, and it also gives you that little bump, that little oomph in the back. Okay? So that's the fall. And then there's the ponytail. We all know what the ponytail does. It of course gives us length on our ponytail and also adds thickness. Halocouture also offers tape-in extensions, and tape-in extensions are, if you're looking for something that's a little more on the permanent side, something that you don't just put in and take out, then tape-in extensions may be a good option for you. These do require a little more maintenance because if you don't have them taken out and move back up the hair shaft, every 3 months or so, then this can cause damage and breakage on your natural hair. And we don't want any breakage. We don't want any damage. So if you're looking for something a little more permanent, that's a good option for you. But I love Halocouture extensions because you don't have to deal with clips. They're very comfortable. You really don't even feel them in your hair. And they're also very affordable considering if you get extensions done and you're having to go to the salon every 3 months and have your extensions move back up the hair shaft, and also some of those extensions you can't reuse every time. That can get expensive because you not only have to pay for the hair the first time, but then you have to go and have them paid to get taken out, put back in. So there's a maintenance, a continuous cost. But with Halocouture, you buy your extension one time and you use it till you just wear the thing out. Then you would need to buy another one. But that's why I love Halocouture, because there's just not a lot of maintenance involved with them. So anyways, I don't want to blab, so let me get to the halo. So when you get it, it's going to come in a box like this. It's got a little magnetic flap. You'll open it up, and here's your halo. It comes in a little mesh netting. You'll just take it out. That's just to protect it. So here's the halo. This is my personal halo. I have colored and cut it to match my existing hair. Now my hair has faded since I've done my halo, but it would still blend. I mean, when I get my hair touched up, then it'll really blend. But for now, it's fine. Yeah, that's another thing. You can have the halo cut to match your to suit your existing hair. You can have it colored if necessary. I wouldn't suggest coloring it a whole lot because then that would, over time that can cause a lot of damage on your hair, and it's just like our hair. It's human hair. Too much chemical damages it, so you just don't want to color it a whole lot, if at all, if you don't have to. But it is an option. It comes in all kinds of different colors, y'all, so usually you're able to find the color that, you know, would suit your needs. But if not, if you need to add some lowlights or something, that's no big deal. I would just make sure that a professional stylist does it, just to be sure that you're having good products used on your hair and you're having a good color line. You don't need to use any box color or anything like that on these extensions. These are precious. You spend good money on them, so you want to take care of them. So this is my halo. Like I said, I've colored it, cut it. There's a clear band. Mine is no longer clear because I have used a direct dye on my extensions, and it's a little bit purple, but that's fine. It'll blend right in with my hair. So this piece right here, it fits through the front to each side on your head, and then the hair itself will go from one side to the other in the back, and that just fits over your hair just like a little halo, like a little angel halo. Isn't that cute? And then you're gonna take your rat tail comb. It comes with a rat tail comb, and you'll just pull the hair out over your extensions. I'm gonna do a video to show y'all how it's actually installed. I could tell you all day long, and you think you know what I'm talking about, but you really don't know till I show you. But so be on the lookout for that video. You can wash these, you can curl them, you can flat iron them, you can, like I said, you can color them to a certain degree. You can pretty much do anything to your extensions that you can do to your hair. Just know that whatever you do to them, it's gonna react the same way that your natural hair reacts. Also, y'all, the other day I found out when I washed my extensions, I scrunched them. You know, because I had worn my hair scrunched that day, so I thought, well, I'll try to scrunch them. Well, it works. I mean, it has this beautiful natural wave to it. They come straight, but when you wash them, they're gonna have a little wave to them, and you can either straighten that out or you can, you know, use that to your advantage. But Halocouture, it's not just for people desiring length and thickness. It's also for people dealing with life events like, I don't know, like chemotherapy, you know, have their hair thinned out from chemotherapy. You're having thyroid issues that can cause us to lose hair or our hair be thinner, even alopecia. So these are not just good options for people wanting all this length and fullness, but also people dealing with these life events. I love Halocouture. I've seen it change lives. Like women who sit in my chair, I mean, I put the halo in and I fix their hair, and it just changes the way that they look at themselves in the mirror. And y'all, that means more than anything. Like, that just blesses my heart. And I mean, I've watched ladies cry because they're so happy and they love it so much, and that's what it's all about. So anyways, I'm gonna quit blabbing, but be on the lookout for my next video. I'm gonna show you how to install the extensions. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I hope to see y'all soon.